Hey guys, I can explain about this. This is not a real gun. It's a fake gun, but it doesn't shoot out bullets. It just gets out smoke. It came from redwoods. You know the fight between the Americans and the Mexicans? So it's that from there. It happened in redwoods. So how to reload the gun? It's like this. So should be viewing it here. So here. So you see right here is open, and this thing with the dot is a bullet. Like that what makes it smoke. So here's my gun. It's loaded already, and I put my paper inside. Over here you see there's something over here. You see the round. I put it over there with this one. If this part should be hitting the dot. I don't know why, but that helps us make it smoke. So put the gun here, and here's the trigger, and here. See smoke. So no bullet came out. See the block, and I have proof. No bullet over here. No bullet. So smoke here, but still my ears are. It's better. Okay, so you see the block. No reporting this video. It's just a fake gun called Redwoods. So fake gun. So bye.